Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kombucha powder. Begin by choosing a stable, well-fermented kombucha and strain out any SCOBY bits and large particles. Gently reduce the liquid by low heat or vacuum to concentrate sugars and acids without destroying beneficial bacteria. Once thick, dry using a dehydrator or low oven until brittle, then grind to a fine, shelf-stable powder and store in an airtight container. To concentrate kombucha, use a wide, shallow pan and keep the heat low to protect probiotics while evaporating water steadily. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching and to ensure even reduction. You can also use a vacuum evaporator if available for faster, gentler concentration. Reduce until the liquid has a thicker syrup consistency, which makes drying faster and yields a more uniform powder once processed and ground to the right texture. Spread the concentrated kombucha thinly on dehydrator trays or a lined baking sheet and dry at the lowest safe temperature until fully brittle. If you can, use a freeze dryer for maximum probiotic retention. Break dried shards into pieces, grind them finely in a spice grinder, and sift to remove larger bits. Store the powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to keep flavor and potency for extended use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.